Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to see playlist on YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YouTube. So after this here click on the profile uh, of that channel from which you want to see playlist. For example, I want to see playlist of this channel, so that's why I will click on the profile of the channel. So after this here you can see this channel has no any playlist, so I will go back. So after this select another channel. So for example, I want to see a playlist of this channel, so that's why I will click on the profile of that channel. So after this here you can see the options of playlist, so just click on it and you can see different playlist of this channel. So similarly you can select a playlist for watching. So is in this way you can see playlist on the YouTube channel very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.